Hey guys, so this is a Hansen, what were these called again? Lights Fantastic.
Or Fantasia or
something like that.
Something like that, yeah.
And
You've got two wires coming out of each one. So
this one has been in my garage ever since I worked for I bought this for the museum, and it just never got a chance. I didn't have a way to take it there because it didn't fit in my car. The main thing I wanted to show you from above, other than just kind of letting you see what it looked like, is they give you this little oil spout, which I think is really cool.
Yeah. It's just a little piece of like kind of gas tubing, I think.
Rick says this one's from '81, which I thought it would have been earlier.
The Hunter original experts would probably be able. So on the serial number, it is 1880, which I believe the 81 is the year backwards. So 1981.
What was the serial number again?
It might actually. Oh, actually, okay. It's 1830. So I'm almost positive the first two digits are the year backwards.
1830. Well,
so it might be third quarter of 81 or something.
I'll ask Hicks or some other original expert.
One of the original experts knows that, I'm sure. I'm pretty sure it's from 81.
We're gonna do a test video of this of sorts. Ooh, did that gash through that wire there?
Oh yeah, I think it did.
Can you see copper?
Well, you know what it did is it cut through the paint, but I don't know if it actually. I might have put some tape on that.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it did. I see some.
Did it go through the copper or just the insulation?
Yeah, kind of looks like it did.
You think we might be dead?
Iffy. I at least tape it. I see copper, but I don't know if it actually sawed it or not.
Okay. Well,
I'd say let's tape it.
we'll report back.
We'll fix it.